What's up guys, in today's episode I'm going to show you how to fix your backup camera. My car is Kia Optima 2012 EX 4-cylinder. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to put my car in reverse. You can see camera is off. This from Amazon, it's like $30 something. Just need to take this off. This is too easy. You have to just take the screws out and pull this out. So it's too easy. And this is the part I have to take it out, and this one, and I have to keep this part right there. So let's do it. So you just need to pull this one back and hold it up and out. So I want to check my new camera is working or not, so I'm gonna insert this one inside. So it's too easy if I did it with two hands, but I'll find out if my camera is working or not. Working fine. You can see it's hanging in there. Pull this yellow clip down. It's too easy. Just hold it and pull it down. Only thing left is the camera. We have to take it out from front. So this is the best part. So this is the white clip. You don't have to pull it or push it sideways like this. See this? That's simple. This one, push it outside in front. Okay, there you see. Ooh, that's it. The old camera is out. The new one goes in. So this part goes in there. This goes in there too. Push it front. Camera is fixed. Now let's go see, is it working or not. Ooh. So we fixed everything. Let's see it's working or not. You can see it's working fine. Everything is clear. I can see it clearly now. That's it for the video. See you in the next one.